A very good day to everyone present at the 15th Global Conference of Actuaries. Let me introduce myself. I am Umang Manish Mawani from Kolkata, and I have topped the Actuarial Common Entrance Test held in December 2012. I am currently undertaking the course of Economics from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. It is a 5-year integrated MSc course and I am currently in my first year. Since my childhood, I had a great interest in the subject of mathematics. During my plus 2 level, mathematics and statistics became my major areas of concentration. I cleared the Regional Maths Olympiad organized by the Indian Statistical Institute. Every year, I used to participate in a Mathematics Olympiad organized by the Science Olympiad Foundation, and in the year 2009, I had achieved an international rank 8. Regarding the course of Actuarial Science, it was my elder brother Prateek who had informed me about the course. He had advised me to go for the course after my plus 2 level. After getting admitted into the institute, I decided to enroll for ACET. As it was the month of July, I thought the December date was the best for me as it would give me sufficient time for my preparation. So besides my studies for college, I decided to put up an hour or two every day so that I complete a topic, and it included a 10-minute revision time in the end so that I was thorough with my studies for the day. The thing that attracted me the most towards ACET was that the examination did not require me to mug up the formulae, but it actually tests the ability of students regarding how they can apply each and every formulae to a given situation. Also, the application procedure for ACET was very user-friendly and it did not require much effort. I also support the format of online examination as it saves paper, and it totally eradicates the human error of answering the questions made by students. It also reduces human effort of correcting the answer scripts, and also it involves a great deal of time management which is required by the student so that he can answer each and every question with a great deal of concentration. The online examination was also very easy as it gave us the freedom of viewing any question at any point of time during the examination, and it also allowed us to mark a question for reviewing later on. I highly appreciate the fact that the results were displayed within 10 days of the examination. Excelling in this examination surely gave me a boost towards this course, but I had decided beforehand that I would go for this course because while I was researching about this course, browsing through the website of the institute, I had learned that there were various modules involving a great deal of application of maths. So Actuarial Science is a course it's a very challenging course, and I would like more and more candidates to go for this course as it involves a great deal of opportunities in the future all over the world. Finally, I would like to thank the Institute of Actuaries of India and NN Parekh family for the award. I must confess that I could not attend the Global Conference of Actuaries as it was not possible for me to ignore my semester examinations. Thank you, and once again have a great day.